Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Fender stratocaster coming in for a standard setup. Apart from that, he wants to change the pickups as well. So on the neck pickup, he wants to change to a cool rail from Seymour Duncan, and for the bridge he uses JB Junior, also from Seymour Duncan. No split coil, no push pull. It's just standard swap. Other than that, yeah, he wants the floating bridge, so half step pull back for the bridge itself. So yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video. I see you at the end. Bye. Okay bro, guitar is ready. So we got cool rail and we got JB Junior, mini humbuckers. These two are mini humbuckers. I set it to float half full step up, meaning from E, open string E, pull back up to F, half step up. So yeah. Second position. Okay, third position is still the same. Fourth position. Fifth position. Second position, the mix of the two is quite nice. So it's a nice balance actually. Okay, guitar is ready. Let me know when you want to pick up. Guitar is good to go. Bye bye. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of the content, there is a playlist of all the guitar work that I have done. Yeah, so if you need my help with any of the guitar or bass work, you can contact me via WhatsApp 84189951. Hope to see you soon. Bye.